We envision a user-centered, well-structured platform providing many opportunities for industry engagement with the student academic journey, with the ultimate goal of closing the graduation to job-ready gap. Thank you.
To start a collaboration with the right foot, it's important to first identify all types of activity that can be performed together with an institution and present them in the first meeting so together you can identify the best way to collaborate and broaden the engagement. Thank you.
Data-driven insights and utilizing data will be a real factor and a real positive factor for helping institutions and higher education learn from each other and across board. What you see behind me is an illustration, just by way of example, of some of the key learning areas, specifically in Germany. So, for example, in data science, we see a huge increase in Python programming, machine learning. When it comes to business, we see a massive increase in data analysis and business design concepts. And it's these sort of critical data that is actually going to help fill the skills and knowledge gaps that industry partners or industry or businesses wish for their graduates and new talent to actually have when going in for employment. Historically, what we've seen is that higher education does not necessarily apply sufficient data insights or have the benchmarking capability to keep up with evolving skills requirements of their corporate partners.
Industry engagement is important to provide impact on the curriculum design and student learning. Many activities can be implemented through the whole learning process from many aspects, such as advisory boards, faculty students internship with companies, professors of practice, adjunct instructors, sponsored design projects, joint research, and so on. Thank you.
We need a better understanding of industry needs and expectations from engineering graduates. So we propose to create a repository of outcomes for all to share and contribute. Thank you.
An important part of assessing the industry-based learning outcomes is to implement an assessment continuous improvement cycle, briefly summarized, beginning with the outcomes, design student learning activities, including instruction and labs and co-curricular and extracurricular activities to achieve those learning outcomes, assess the level of attainment with data, and then implement continuous improvement actions for the next cycle. Thank you.
The main purpose of redesigning the student learning journey with industry collaboration in mind at every step is to close the graduation industry readiness gap. This will enhance the pool of highly capable talent that supports the industry growth. It will increase students' employability and balance knowledge and skills acquired during the learning journey with those needed in the industry. Thank you.
So we leave you now with 5 bullets recommending to work towards broader engagement, be data-driven, build on many activities for the industry to get engaged, and let's be ready to collect this information and share with all. So don't forget assessment, very important in all we do. And our ultimate goal is to close the gap between graduation industry readiness. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.